Kevin, I'd love to invite you to start us off with why people may not like the marketing.
I think the first thing that comes to mind is that they don't have conviction in what they're actually selling. And so people get into this position of talking about something that they don't actually believe in. And so then when they have to go talk about it, they lack the passion to speak about that particular topic. So, I mean, I think, every time somebody gets a new toy that they're like super, super excited about, the only thing that they do is talk about it. And so I think the first question is, are we convicted about what we're actually selling?
Yeah, and I think this is a great chance to just start off in a really good way. Measure your level of conviction from 1 to 10 on what you're selling with the product and the service that you're selling with your practice. What's your level of conviction? 10 being obviously the most, 1 being not very good. And I think that lots of times we're so hesitant when we start a practice, whether it's because of our price or whether we're selling the right thing, but ultimately what is best for your patient and what you really can do for your clients. What is your level of conviction with that? If you know that you can absolutely help someone to overcome, back pain, or to overcome and become a better athlete, whatever it may be, if you know that you can help somebody to do that, then you should start to enjoy marketing, because it's you getting in front of people that you could potentially change their life. When you start to change how you view marketing and understanding that this is just an opportunity for me to get in front of someone that I can significantly impact their life, and that level of conviction rises, it makes marketing more fun.
Yeah, Josh, what you're talking about there is, if you're passionate about helping people with, say, back pain and talking about it, really it comes down to, do you know what you're selling? Do you know what you're talking about? And it goes back to your foundations. And if you're going out and trying to talk about something that you're not really sure what you're selling, you're not convicted about it, it's going to be hard to sell it. Think back to when you were in school and you're doing a presentation, or maybe at the clinic, or wherever you work, you're having to do an in-service. Think about the times that you've done a presentation where you're like, you know what, I know this information down cold. I could get on that stage right now. I could do it with my eyes closed. Let's rock and roll. And you feel like a rock star giving that information. But then think about the times that you maybe did an in-service where you went to an in-service over the weekend, and then you're expected to present that information that next week at work. And you really haven't gotten to digest it yet and fully understand it. And if it's on a technique, maybe not even practice it that much. And so you tend to feel a little bit nervous about presenting it. You feel uncertain. That's the same thing of what we're talking about here, is if you don't really know what you're even trying to sell, you're not going to have fun marketing. You're not going to have fun going out there and talking about it. So do you know what you are about when you're selling?